Here comes the steam engine. He's going to stop here to do some watering, take on water for the steam engine, and a little bit of maintenance. See him lowering the pipe there. You can see the flames in the belly of the engine. You can see the engineer on top of the engine there. He's using an air hose to kind of clean up all the dust. You're looking at the belly of the Shea locomotive. You can see the engineer on top cleaning things off, getting it ready for the first trainload of people for the day. Steam seems to make a lot of racket. So he's just finishing up cleaning out the engine and getting it prepped for the first train ride of the day and the first train load of tourists. Yosemite Mountain and Sugar Pine Railroad is located right outside of Yosemite National Park on Highway 41. At the little town of Fish Camp. It's right at the south entrance to Yosemite. It's a great place to stop by and take a train ride through the woods. It's beautiful, and I'm sure you'd love it here. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the video, and there's more up on the actual train ride itself, and I hope that you enjoyed this and have a great day. Thank you.